You have more room over there.
What do you mean?
Look here, let me get in there. Okay, now
Are
go.
you there? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're apartment hunting this morning, and we have been looking for a long time. We've been looking for like 3 weeks almost. So we haven't found anything that's perfect yet, but it's pretty funny. It's comical going to see apartments, Johnny. Tell us some stories of what you've seen.
Well, I kind of like the fact that they have samples every once in a while. So that's why I'm all about, apartment hunting, especially on the newer apartments. They definitely have samples. But what I did notice is it's a little awkward when somebody's like looking at the same place that you are.
Yeah.
And you go in there and they're like putting their hands out and like measuring what they're going to do. And you're kind of like, what? You don't even have it yet. You haven't even done the credit application. So, I don't know. That's what I've noticed so far. Johnny
also came up with a really good scam.
I did not. First of all, that's not me. I don't come up with good... No. I'm not even going to tell you guys. I'm not even going to encourage
Johnny
you.
Was
No.
okay,
No.
Well,
no.
Anyway.
Because people are influential, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they're...
Somebody's going to take your idea,
yeah.
and then you're going to be blamed for it.
Yeah, exactly.
It was on YouTube.
Yeah, forget that.
Okay. Well, anyway, we're apartment hunting today. We hope that we have some better news this afternoon and say that we found something. Excuse me.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh, that's it. See you guys later. I don't know what to tell you.